Welcome to the Mastery Essentials for Growth Marketing. This course is designed to equip you with the essential principles and tactics needed to grow your SaaS business successfully. Unlike a typical academic program, we focus on practical principles, actionable insights that come from our decade-long industry experiences. Our program aims at helping you to achieve business outcomes efficiently. It's a mixture of key ideas, methodologies, and real-life experiences tailored to be as relevant and useful for you as possible. The objective is twofold: to help you make the right choices for your business and ensure those choices are executed correctly. Growth marketing at its core is straightforward. It's revolving around who you target, what you say, where and how you reach them. Throughout this program, we aim to unravel these concepts, demonstrating how marketing can be both simple and extremely impactful for you to grow your business. This expanded approach mirrors our product management course, highlighting the significant overlap between product and marketing. Essentially, a product in high demand naturally facilitates marketing efforts. As we progress, we'll explore these dynamics in greater detail, emphasizing the synergy between product desirability and marketing effectiveness.